So today we are at the mall, and I think we're just gonna go on like a little shopping spree. But right now we're at the candy store. So we're gonna pick a candy or like a pizza or a cheeseburger or anything up there. So, sorry, what do you want to pick?
I'll pick this big gummy pizza.
The big one?
Yeah.
You don't want the little one?
No, I want to have the.
Okay, I'm gonna get the sushi one.
I bet I want the big pizza. So I got a big pizza with pepperoni and I think this is lettuce and I don't know what this is.
I got sushi. I've never really had sushi in my life, so let's hope this gives it a good kickoff. So we got back from the mall and we're gonna try all of our candy, or mostly gummies. So let's get into it. Okay, so what do you want to try first, Sawyer?
I'll try this.
The slime?
Yeah.
So this is the sour slime candy. I have cherry, Sawyer has green apple. Oh, there's a little spoon. Do you need help, Sawyer?
No, I got it.
Okay, get the spoon out.
Oh my gosh, that's sticky. Get yours off.
Okay, get your spoon. It's on the bottom of the...
Oh. How do you get it out?
You just snap it out on the bottom. Okay.
What flavor do you have?
I have cherry, so I have green apple.
I don't want to pick it off first.
3, 2, 1. Wow. Mmm. Okay, let's switch. Okay, take it. I'm crying. 2, 1. Oh, that's gonna give me a stomach ache. A stomach ache. New word, guys. New word. So, sorry, what do you think of mine? They're both bad. They're both bad. They taste the same. There's like no flavor difference.
But if this was actually something we didn't know, then I would be freaked out if we ate it.
Would you get it again?
No way.
No.
Would you get it again?
No way.
I'll just sell it for free.
I want to save the sushi for last.
Okay.
So I think we're gonna do the giant gummy pizza. It's like bigger than my face, by the way. You can't tell how big it is on camera.
Probably because
It's bigger than Sawyer's face. Here's a comparison.
Oh, it's like slimy. It's slimy. Okay, I don't.
It feels like what is it? Slime.
Okay, yeah, it smells good. So,
It smells
I
just like
trust
it smells like a
trust
big cherry gummy.
yeah, I
That's what
trust that.
Okay, can we peel the condiments off?
No.
Oh, maybe. No, not really. Okay. Okay, you take a bite from one side, I'll take a bite from the other side. You ready? Good. It actually is really good. So I'm guessing this is what is this? cherry, orange, vanilla, lemon, and what was that? Oh, I was right. So it says the green stuff is green sour apple, lemon, cherry, berry blast, and orange. So I got half of it right. Well, yeah. Oh my gosh. It's really good.
I like the pepperoni as well.
Would you get this again?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Would you give it? How many stars on a scale of 1 to 5? What would you give it?
100. Probably like a 4.
That's a bit of 5.
So you definitely get this again?
Yeah, I'd get it again. It's just not my favorite.
All right. Rate the sour stuff. Scale 1 to 5. What would it be?
A 0. A
do you
0.
think? What about the sour slime? What would you rate it? 1 to 5?
A 0.
A 0? Wow. But the pizza is a solid 5?
Solid 5 or 4.5.
You would get it again?
Yeah.
One more bite.
Oh my gosh, Sawyer.
He's all right.
You guys eat pizza?
And everybody? I thought the bread, this part here,
It's orange.
yeah, I thought it would actually be like real crust, but it's not like actually like cheese inside.
So we're gonna go to the sushi, and I think there's 2 of each beside the side one. So
First of all, I think this is like, the green is like sour.
I think it's supposed to be or act as wasabi. Oh, it comes in like a little case too.
I'll take red.
I think that's pretty cool.
I call
No,
red.
I get to pick what you get because I picked this one out. So.
Are you gonna give me bad colors and stuff?
No,
Okay, give me some
but
good.
I think they did a solid 3 out of 5 on the decorations.
The packaging.
Yeah, except for this little guy. I mean, you can tell that's obviously a gummy bear. But yeah, I wonder what this is. It kind of looks disgusting. But anyways, let's start out with the sauces. So I'm guessing this is soy sauce.
I'm guessing that's
and-
worms.
And what do you think this would be?
Okay, it's
Like
definitely
this
not
is-
worms.
Oh, that's very long.
Is this a
Very long.
string?
Okay, I'm gonna half it with you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Smells like Coke. Go. It tastes like those Coke gummies. It tastes really, really good.
I'm just gonna pick red, but I guess this is
Ready?
cherry.
3, 2, 1. I guess it's supposed to be cherry. I mean, just off the top of my mind.
I'll give it a 3.
I think it's pretty good.
I'll
It's
give it a
not
3.
Okay.
Ooh,
Sorry.
actually,
So we're gonna try these
this is
things.
the best
If
part.
you know what it is,
Calm down.
if you know what this is, comment down below. Good job, Sawyer. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. All of it. Go, go, go. All of it. Go, go, go.
I don't feel nothing. Just like scrunchy.
That's disgusting. I'm sorry. I mean,
I can't eat it.
all I'm getting is like the little beads in it.
Yeah, big.
Oh, they're marshmallows.
I think brown. I bet it's the
You can
worst.
get a close up of it.
Yeah, mine definitely smells like a.
Big bite.
Okay.
You know, actually, trick me.
No. I love.
Dang it, he got that one because it's the Coke flavored one. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Cookie.
New word. New word. It's pretty good, actually.
Come on. I need to finish it.
Oh gosh. That is good.
5.
Already? You're ready to give your rating?
I didn't even
What
finish
if the other
everything.
ones are nasty?
Hmm?
What if the other ones are bad?
The Coke soy sauce will make up for it.
Oh, okay.
I want this one.
It's the same, I
Show them off
think.
the camera here.
They're fish.
Here. Okay,
All right.
ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ow.
Mm.
That hurt my tooth.
What would I doing? I'm just gonna.
The gummy's supposed to be lemon. You can taste that for sure. And this is just like an orange flavored marshmallow.
Hmm.
I like the fish.
I didn't even think to peel mine off. It's better that way. I'm excited to try this one though. I'm
We
gonna
have to-
save this because I love.
We have to
lemon
half
ones.
this one.
I have the the peach rings. So
Yeah.
it's like just a green peach ring.
So you have you're lucky.
I thought this was supposed
What
to
do you
act
have?
as
So
a
all you have the inside piece.
Yeah, because
Ready?
this is smaller.
3, 2, 1.
I can't.
Just eat the
Just
whole
eat the whole
thing.
thing.
Okay. I just like the head.
It's really sour.
Mine's not sour. It tastes like.
Whoa.
You can try it.
I get the rest of the gummy. Well, that's kind of just.
Not all of it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take a smidge and bite of her.
You can have all of that too.
One.
You're supposed to look at the camera whenever you do that.
All
Sorry.
right.
Good.
Which one's the winner? So the
Coke.
slime, the pizza, or the sushi?
Oh my.
Sorry, you get first. You gotta guess. Slime, pizza, sushi.
That's enough slime. I
slime
got
is
2.
out.
That's all, just 2. The pizza and the Coke round thingy.
Like the soy sauce or the sushi and the...
No, the one
No,
that,
this was-
No, it's the soy sauce.
the ones that came out of these.
Oh, the California ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
which one's the winner? Do you gotta pick one? Between the pizza or the sushi?
Pizza.
the pizza,
Yeah, I ate like 3 bites out of that. So
What do you think, Hart?
I love both of them. I would eat any of them anytime. Well, let's not say anytime because that would be awful. I would just buy the sushi one because the soy sauce was just the bomb. I mean, it was taste as like what is it? Coke. You can find all of this candy at Candy Craze, and we really hope that you will like it. That we can recommend more of your candy because it is awesome, like awesome. So we hope you guys like the video.
This
Are
is
you
the
done?
worst.
Are you done chewing your pizza so you can see the last part? Make sure you like, subscribe, and
Hit the bell.
see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye. I love this pizza.